Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn use of will and would. Okay, let's get started. Let's see first use of will. First use of will to indicate future action. Look at the example. He will meet me tomorrow. Next example, I will come next week. Second use of will, future prediction. Example, she will start a school very soon. Next example, he will arrive on time because he is always very punctual. Third use of will, to make promise or determination. Example, I will do the work at any cost. Next example, I will never disappoint you. Number 4 use of will, request. For example, will you give me your laptop for a moment? Next example, will you post the letter for me, please? Okay, number 5 use of will, offer. For example, will you have coffee? Next, will you come to our home? Number 6 use of will, intention. For example, I will wait for you. Next example, I will buy the car. And number 7 use of will in first conditional sentence. Example, if you want, I will help you. Next example, if you wake up late, you will miss the morning train. Now let's see use of would. Remember, would is past form of will. First use of would, past of will. Example, I knew that he would not agree. Next example, I said that I would reach little late. Okay, now let's see second use of would, past habits. Example, when I was a teenager, I would play every day. Next example, he would play only during the weekends when he was young. Okay, now let's see third use of would, offer and invitation. For example, would you like to go out for dinner? Next example, would you mind having a cup of tea? Number 4 use of would, polite request. Example, would you post the letter for me, please? Next, would you please support me to complete the work? Number 5 use of would, imaginary and conditional. Example, if I own a lot of money, I would give some of it to charity. Next, if she wanted, I would help her. Number 6 use of would, preference. Example, I would like to have a cup of coffee. Next, I would prefer to live in a big house. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch more videos like this.